New parents have many decisions to make about what is best for their newborn. Diapers, checkups, sleeping schedules. Making the important decision on whether or not vaccination is best for their child is just another thing on the long list of responsibilities that these parents have. However, it can be one of the most important choices that they can make. Deciding to vaccinate is the best choice to protect children, and we're here to help you see the importance that vaccinations have on the health of not only the child, but the community. Vaccines are imperative for a child's safety, as well as the safety of others. Vaccines save around 2 to 3 million lives around the world each year. Furthermore, before vaccines were available, almost every child got measles by the time they were 15. However, 2 doses of the measles vaccine are about 97% effective at preventing the disease. When a child receives a shot, his or her immune system develops antibodies to fight the virus. However, this takes time, so they usually get sick before their body can destroy the virus. After this first infection, though, memory cells remember this virus and how to make antibodies for it, so the next infection is eliminated before it can make the child sick. What vaccines do is expose a child to a weakened or killed virus that does not cause disease, but still trains the body to produce antibodies. Through this, children can gain immunity without suffering from the illness. Immunizing children not only protects them, but also the community. Some people are allergic to vaccines, have weakened immune systems, or are babies who cannot receive certain vaccines until a certain age. If a child is not vaccinated, he or she can give a disease to a baby or someone who isn't strong enough to fight the disease on their own, and the results can be fatal. However, through vaccination, it is possible to protect them through herd immunity, the resistance to the spread of contagious diseases within a population that results from a high proportion of individuals being immune to the disease. Vaccinating children turns them into superheroes that can save the lives of people in their community. Although vaccines are meant to protect people, some are turned away from them due to the fear that they can cause autism and other disorders. In a study done in 1998, concerns were raised that the measles, mumps, rubella shot was linked to autism. This caused fear among parents who are worried that their children would develop autism if they vaccinated them, and many decided against it. However, a collection of flaws were found in the study. For one, the study had no control subjects, so there was no way of knowing whether the development was coincidental or not. This study was so significantly fraudulent that the paper was retracted from the journal that published it, and the scientist lost his license. However, many still are concerned about the link between vaccines and autism. In response to this fear, many studies have been done to prove that there is no link between autism and vaccination. One published by the Annals of Internal Medicine earlier this month, on March 5, 2019, studied 657,461 children in Denmark over a 10-year period. It concluded that the study strongly supports that MMR vaccination does not increase the risk of autism, does not trigger autism in susceptible children, and is not associated with clustering of autism cases after vaccination. Therefore, parents have no reason of worrying about their children developing autism due to vaccines. The link to the study can be found on our website. One quick trip to the doctor's office makes a giant impact on the community. Vaccines are integral to provide immunity to children and protect those who cannot get vaccinated. Therefore, it is a parent's responsibility to vaccinate their children. More information regarding vaccines and our cause can be found at www.vaxxplained.weebly.com.